Okay, and welcome back to another one of my random unboxing videos of stuff I buy on Amazon. Let's get this guy open and see what's in it. Okay. Okay, as you might be able to see, this is MOUNTDOG brand, and it's a backdrop. Comes with 3 different backdrop materials. You got green screen, so you can make yourself be in Perry if you want. You got standard black, and then you have white. Let's put those to the side. It also comes with 3 of these spring clamps to hook them onto the pole. Total of 3. Installation instruction book. All 2 pages of it. Should be all you need. And then this should be the stands and the poles themselves. I do like that it's all contained within its own little bag here. So, coming out of this end, we got all the crossbar poles. And off the 2 sides, we have the 2 stands. Feels nice and robust. I've had one of these in the past and it didn't feel this robust, and the clamps didn't feel as nice. So I'm excited to give this one a try. Well, that's everything that's in the box. Thanks for watching.